Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Android Wi-Fi problem. So guys, if you see that your Wi-Fi is connected but there is no internet connections, then you can do one thing. Just go to your Wi-Fi settings. Now tap on your network and just remove this network. Now connect the network again. So if you use this processing, then this network problem will not appear again. And if it still occurs, then just turn off your Wi-Fi router and restart it. Then surely your problem will be solved. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.